Do you know how this dress was made? Do you know? It was made out of a very plain fabric and it was beaded from start to finish. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to be a very creative fashion designers and how these big fashion designers make clothes and you'll be like, wow, this does not look like any other clothes in the world. That is what we call creativity. My name is Winnie and you're welcome back to my channel. If this kind of topic is what you are interested in and you want to know how to be creative in the fashion industry, definitely keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. And without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. So now every designer should have a consultation time, which is what you are seeing Vicky James do right now. You should consult with your bride or your client, know their mind, how they want to look, what they want their clothes to look like, what they want their look to look like, how they want to feel in the dress. From there, you'll be able to sketch out what will make the bride happy, what will make her to, feel flattered on her body when she wears the dress. And then the next thing is to pick colors. I sincerely love this color, like it's so surreal, it's so beautiful. Picking the right colors for your design will also make your design to pop out very well. And let me gist you, what fashion designers do right now is that they don't buy laces anymore. They make a plain fabric and bead it from start to finish. That's right. And that is how this dress was made. So beading is what I've entered into the fashion industry that has made fashion designing so creative. There are so many things that you can do with beading. And you know the funny thing, the more you bead, the more you get creative with beading. Beading has made fashion go from 0 to 100. I'm not even playing. And there are lots of beads. As you can see, we have the sequins, we have the crystal beads, we have the sand beads, we have the broken glass beads. There are so many beads that you can work with that will take your clothes from 0 to 100. Apart from mastering the art of corsetry properly, the other thing that you can do is to learn how to bead your clothes properly. Like, you just need to sew a very plain dress like this and then design whatever you want on that dress and then start beading. It will make your clothes stand out and to never ever look like any clothes in this world. You know why? Because when you are beading from your head, you start thinking of how you can make the dress more beautiful. What can I do? Where can I place this? You have no two persons that are you now, and somebody cannot be in your mind. So whatever you've created is definitely going to be one in town. All right, so I'm just trying to let you know that you can be creative with beading and make your clothes look nothing like any other clothes in this world. Those are one of the ways that fashion designers get very creative. And apart from beading, there are other appliques that you can use to embellish your clothes that will take your clothes from 0 to 100. We have the cloth chains, we have the cloth stones, we have the disc. There are so many appliques that you can use on your clothes to make it more beautiful. And then one of the other ways that you can stay creative as a fashion designer is to feed your eyes with beautiful things. I've already done a video on this channel on all the fashion designers that you should be following if you are really serious in this fashion industry. I'm going to drop the video immediately after this video. Go and follow these designers, watch them, look at their pages, look at the way they design clothes, look at the way they arrange their things, look at the way they arrange their sewing, and by the time you feed yourself with positive things always, then your mind will shift. It will have a paradigm shift. You'll be more enlightened, and when you are about to create yours, you will create beautiful things. Feed your eyes with very classy things. Feed your eyes with classy things. Go to their pages. All these big fashion designers, watch the way they design their dresses. Keep watching it every day. When you feed your mind with beautiful things like this, then this is going to help your creativity. Like, there's a way what you watch and see every day have a positive impact on your mindset, on your brain. You just find yourself shifting to that realm. All right, so feed yourself with beautiful things. Go online, follow these designers, watch the way they design their clothes, and it will expand your creative mind also. I hope this video has been helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section, and I would also like us to discuss anything that has helped you to build your creativity as a fashion designer. I would like you to drop that in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for sticking with me till I see you in the next one. I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.